Connecting the world one chip at a time.
Spotting the next big medical breakthrough.
And revolutionizing consumer robotics.
This is Beyond Innovation. Have you ever noticed how much chatter is happening these days? And I don't mean people, I mean devices. Just about every product hitting the market has a chip inside it, allowing it to communicate with one device or another.
It's true. The explosion of connected hardware has been downright deafening, and it's only going to get louder. Several forecasters, including IHS and IDC, see around 30 billion connected devices in use by 2020. It certainly is a treasure trove of information.
Yeah, it absolutely is, Michael, but most companies can't even build the infrastructure needed to tap into that data deluge. And that's where Ayla Networks comes in. It operates one of the top Internet of Things platforms in the world, and it serves up those insights for its clients. Phillip Chang is the general manager of the company, and he's got one thing on his mind: keep connecting. Everywhere we look, devices are increasingly connected. Connected home, connected car, everything in our world's becoming connected. And now with the advent of 5G networks, there's even more promise for everything being connected. Ayla Networks is at the center of this revolution. How is the platform tackling this market?
Well, we tackle this market by trying to connect as many platforms as possible, as many clouds as possible, even as many standards as possible. So, for example, there are standards like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, 3G, 4G, even 5G in the future, and connect to cloud like Amazon AWS, Google, even Apple series. So we allow all these standards coming together, so we make sure that device can be controlled even by voice, by apps, and then all together in service to our enterprise customer.
We don't see Internet of Things in our everyday lives yet, whether it's in a home setting or a business setting. Can you give us an example that can bring it to home for everyone to get a picture of what's happening?
Okay, let's say we have a customer that manufactures coffee machines. And in most of coffee machines now using consumable like coffee cups. Most people don't understand that in the past that you had to order, but you only order when you run out. Nowadays, we'll track what flavor do you like, and you are running out with a push a button with the e-commerce connectivities that the fresh cup of the coffee cup that will be on your door the next day.
In distribution and logistics,
yes.
In any kind of business that involves a truck roll,
yes.
A connected device can have a huge impact. What's
yes.
an example of that one?
Oh, that a lot. Right now, for example, we do like vending machine. Some of the largest customer that is a vending machine that the customer understand that the Diet Coke is running out, or the coin is filling up, or even the vending machine is broken. Right now, we know exactly which location the Coke or 7-Up is running out, that we can generate those data to the CRM system, to the truck roll system, that we remap the truck roll so they know exactly where to go to minimize the stops, and also to optimize the filling of the beverage.
And as 5G networks roll out, what can we expect to see happening around cities in the marketplace?
Oh, 5G is going to be an incredible technology. Right now, we have a stepping stone from 4G to 5G. It's called NB-IoT. One chip of NB-IoT can last 10 years. So most people are leveraging that technology like smart city, smart trash can. That a trash can be notified when it's full. Or a trash can also tell the truck driver doesn't have to stop because it's empty.
It's empty.
Yeah, and think about trash can is just a trash can, but it can save a city at least like 50% of efficiency.
There's big players in the market you're competing in, Microsoft, Cisco. There's also a myriad of smaller competitors that are coming up. How does Ayla consistently win?
As a matter of fact, Cisco is one of our investors. And then also we partner with Amazon Web Services as well as the Google Cloud Platform. We leverage their infrastructure as well as their machine learning, artificial intelligence, and then feed it securely, stably to the cloud, and then get those data and then learn about, like, let's say, predictive maintenance, learn about the machine is about to fail. And we feed those information to the manufacturer and so they can recognize those products efficiently.